Nathaniel's the name, clones the game. Winning prizes here and there to give to kids everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. That boy there, he is John. My younger bro is playing luck games all day long. But what most don't knows is that together we the Arcade Bros. Arcade Bros. Arcade Bros. Get you some. Theme song by Looking Fool.
Alright. Steak and Shake is stocked to the max.
Completely different from where we were here last
Yeah.
time.
Oh, that's me. It's going for that hippo. That's a funny looking hippo.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, he's done right.
Should get it. No. Probably need to go for head.
I'm trying to go.
You sure about that? What the?
Oh, that might be it. Go for her. That's good. No, gnome hats aren't gettable. Oh, what? Okay, we're going for the leopard dog. Oh, there's another. No, you can't get him. Just go. Come on, go for the leopard dog. Hurry. You got 8 seconds. Like 8 seconds. Whoa, you're way up. What are you doing? Oh. Oh yeah, that was good. Yes. Yeah.
Alright. It is stuck.
Oh, it's stuck on his.
Yeah, let me
Look, it's stuck on his ribbon. Stuck on his.
It is stuck on his scarf. See that right there? Let me focus that. Stuck right there. Legitly stuck. Alright, yeah, go tell Mom. That is hilarious.
We don't know.
Alright, you filming?
Yeah.
Alright.
Try and knock something in with it, maybe.
Yeah! Thank you. Wait, we're getting another coin.
Wait, keep going. No, go for that. Go for that hippo, right? That blue thing. We're going for this. Go for this thing. Got 1 second. No. What? No.
Oh well.
Well, that was a free play. No. You need
I'm
to put
not
it
sure
at
about this.
Here, put it towards us. It'll give it an angle. Ooh. Oh.
You can't hurry. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Goober.
I pushed him down.
But is that your last quarter? Huh? Finally got him. Soft. Alright.
Hello everybody, we just got back from Steak and Shake, and as you just saw, almost got that shaker, and to complete our collection of the Steak and Shake exclusive Kids Room guys.
We wouldn't have played it, but we'd be,
Yeah, closer. But we did happen to win this bear. It's very cool. Got him by the ribbon. I don't know why he even has a ribbon on him in the first place. Sugarloaf. And very cool. And we're giving this away along with most of the stuff that we're in. So I'm pretty sure that landed in it. Okay. So thank you for watching. Wait, where's Gary? We gotta go find her. Split up.